Hello, you are with me, the voice of ability owner for persons with disability. United Nations statistics estimate that over 600 million people live with disability globally, and over 400 million people live with disability in Africa. 40% of Africa's population are made up of people living with disability. 10 to 15% of school-age children in Africa live with disability. Ghana's population is over 32 million, and 8% are people living with disability. How does this impact on persons with disability in terms of policy formulation, marriage and family life, education, healthcare, employment, and so on? For those of us in the disability community, discrimination and stigmatization is the root cause of almost every challenge we face. However, success only comes to those who know how to overcome their challenges and not those who know how to avoid challenges. So join me, the voice of ability and for persons with disability, as I navigate my way through the riveting stories, the unbelievable experiences, and the life-transforming journeys of persons with disability on the Helping Hand TV show.
On this special Mother's Day, the H4P organization honors the legacy of Mrs. Christina Ananswa Hackman.
Welcome back.
Hello, welcome to another exciting edition and very inspirational edition of the Helping Hand TV show, where we seek to throw the spotlight on the abilities of persons with disability. And like I say, welcome. Welcome to my world where disability is not inability. Special thanks to DV Unlimited Company Limited and Fast Stitch Chapel, my proud sponsors. And special thanks to you for always tuning in to your favorite show, the Helping Hand TV show. Today is going to be the continuation of our incredible interview with Victoria, the proud winner of the entrepreneurship category of the prestigious Christina Hackman Impact Leadership Awards. I promised I'll bring you the continuation of the interview. So this is it. Stay tuned in. I'll go for a quick commercial break. When I come back, we'll continue with that amazing interview. Thank you for tuning in. It's a Helping Hand TV show.
We'll be right back.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You are with me, the voice of ability on air for persons with disability. And today I want to introduce you to someone with so much ability. Some people call her the greatest friend. Others call her the sweet companion. And others still call her the faithful worker. She is dependable, reliable, and adorable. And she's committed to lending you a helping hand anytime, anywhere. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome DV Cleaners.
DV Cleaners Alata Samana Shower Gels, DV Cleaners Aloe Vera Shower Gels, DV Cleaners Body Lotions, DV Cleaners Hair Shampoos, DV Cleaners Hair Conditioners, DV Cleaners Liquid Detergents, DV Cleaners Hand Wash, DV Cleaners Floor Cleaners, DV Cleaners Toilet Cleaners, DV Cleaners Cake Soaps, and now introducing DV Cleaners Hand Sanitizers. For bulk purchase, call us on +233 278 308 246 or +233 244 467 326. DV Cleaners, one of the top most made in Ghana products. DV Cleaners, proudly Ghanaian.
And so remember that anytime you purchase any of the DV Cleaners range of products, you are lending a helping hand to a person with disability, and you are supporting H4P organization's special advocacy for persons with disability. DV Cleaners.
Nature's finest touch.
Welcome back.
This is the prestigious Christina Hackman edition of the Helping Hand TV show. You are welcome back. Victoria is still my guest. She's the winner of the entrepreneurship category of the prestigious Chill Awards. It's an incredible thing to hear her story from zero to hero. Right now, she's known all over. She's a proud winner of the prestigious Chill Awards. Her story is incredible. It gives us strength. It gives us a lot of inspiration not to give up. Wherever you find yourself, you can make it if you don't give up. Victoria, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And in spite of your disability, still you had in mind, say, you do this, you do that. Nina now mami a day no kafa like ufi no hoko Western North.
Maybe kwa nkasa no na omu mpese meko. Because me wo fi a omu ho yawo mi fam. Ana na obesa say na wo so betu kwan na otu kwan na saa na eti a when na be hwe. Because wo ha na e ha etoda bi abese 2 months kula mint ana no so.
Wow.
Me share them na wo kwadru kwan to omu na e yo saa obeye de na omu mpene se me de metu kwan akọ. Ana me so me ye hwe de anyame be ye ma me nko se nipa kula ba bi obewu bia yesi wa ye de eyeye na me ya metina fi ahụ se ompanchi na owo nyina wo de aton ahwa me anso still tia na eti ana me declare no ekoye.
I can't stop saying thank you to your mother. Mama ya de papa. Why de me gin other sisters na ono aso no ohwe mu e na ohwe wo so ka ho na we last
born.
Wow. Nyamisha no normally in the disability community say obi wo bana say or disability bia obi hu say either say papa ni be dwane no ho and I say mama no ntin no ho hwe no ni ade who experience of mamia onya ho abutre mamia onya ho do ebia obi hwe mami bi hwe advice be na de be mano a obi tumi dia hwe ono so ne ba o disability
Yo the America kire awufo ana mamefo on say sa problem na akwala be ye disable aya na bed na dodo na ta akwa mamefo ho ese mmema no bema no obetimi apia aja wo na akwala no etifie nti dia metimi aka akire o mo ne se me de me hu set example on say me nua no mo obia ne problem bia obia bibia ye fine be me a me wasa problem we no metimi aka se me na nyame ahyira me wobusua no mo anne nti so wa akwala na wotisa me nka se adanti na akwala we abepie me obe nyame nim de enti akwala na ye den ebetimi annam sa akwala na tu na da chi wo fie na be ye fie kase nti me de ka metimi aka akira awofo no nti wonya sa akwala na jeje no so me fancy time bia manimpie bia bibi wa no mo na time bia o man hye dem wa empie because me akasa na sa time na me hihye ho jese u pie kwa ni pamukula u fere wona se wo kwatia obi na by mistake a o de betwa wo se ona ya yese ana obi bi se ya yese na edi mame but eduru ba bia se me pie no ma ho se normal bi ewo memu a etimi epie anenti so me nka na nhye manimpie.
Thank you so much, Victoria. Let me take this opportunity to wish all mothers happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. We love our mothers. We love the investments you make in us. We love how you treat us. Thank you so much to all mothers out there. This is a special thank you from all your children. All of us in the disability community, we want to say a big thank you to all mothers, especially mothers with children with disability or mothers who themselves have a disability. Thank you so much. Victoria is an example. She's a living testimony. I talk about my mom all the time, Mrs. Christina Nanso Hackman. She taught me everything I know. My mother is the inspiration behind everything I do. I'll go for a quick break. I'll be right back. Happy Mother's Day to all special mothers. It's a Helping Hand TV show. Stay tuned.
We'll be right back.
Success is a product of hard and wise work. Is 60-second success with the Bishop. Stay tuned.
Welcome. Welcome to 60-Second Success with the Bishop, where I give you success nuggets for a successful life. What you do daily is a prediction of what you become eventually. So to be successful, you must strive to do well in everything at every time. What you do once a while is never worth the while. So don't wait for too long to do something right. You must realize that what is not tested cannot be trusted. The best way to test something is to practice daily. Remember that if you will succeed eventually, it will be because you are succeeding in putting in the effort daily. If you decide to make each day fruitful, then your year will be fruitful. If you do things daily to make your day good, then you will be assured that your year will be good. Nothing just happens except it happens daily, no matter how small the measure is. It has taken 60 seconds for me to give you the success tip, but it will take more than 60 seconds for you to put it to work in your life. So start your journey to success now.
Welcome back.
This is the prestigious Christina Hackman edition of the Helping Hand TV show. You're welcome back. Victoria is still my guest. She's the winner of the entrepreneurship category of the prestigious Chill Awards. It's an incredible thing to hear her story from zero to hero. Right now, she's known all over. She's a proud winner of the prestigious Chill Awards. Her story is incredible. It gives us strength. It gives us a lot of inspiration not to give up. Wherever you find yourself, you can make it if you don't give up. Victoria, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Me call into businesses away because I remember time I bought profile during the prestigious Christina Hackman Impact Leadership Awards ceremony. I am shocked. Say like Obaba, we say. Let's start with Ejuma now. They start first. And I did crowd and call those things because you do a lot of things. Livestock, beekeeping, food processing, detergents production, beadwork, piggery, sustainable waste management. One woman. They hit at the start first.
They made start queer Juma Nankasa.
Okay.
And I made the kind say a comedy kind dinumen crab brema and I any boo of one and say. I say, Nyamia chairman quala and me pesa and qualano so be fast hearted be. I was say, Dakro, you better not say, and nay, be dakum. And I say, me, your name, mamma.
And he said, Usha, let you say, Yankupon, Emma will far, sir, a calm situation.
Yes.
Now, or the show.
Yes.
Where to go in life. Amazing.
And say, now I say, me, pesa, mesa, kaisa, commono, to me that without food.
Wow.
Ama adi echi na o di echi nkula obedi a baby yes nfo ye se dawa ne beti ha ban na ye di agum keke na wanum enu anu no se be akwelekula wenya bi end.
Wow.
When e do ama o ma me ne ba be ma when e be ya ama.
Wow.
So eno na ema me de call ku adwuma na nkasa mu na me so abulo ne banche ne mu sa no ma no de it was me started edo. Say be ya menye bi yade. Me san kwesere na nkwala na me so me de wa ba yuase mu no. Omo benye bi yede edi. Ente no mu na me hwe ase na me wa fie no na me ma me oye mproko.
Okay.
Ana sisi me abulo ni sa emu no kwaso emu na emu ntati na ye ja gu ho kwa. Banche na bi wo ha e prokula o ja ma na proko. Ada na me so me starting proko no.
Okay.
Na menye de chese dia ebe sai wa fom ho no me fa ma mproko no.
Okay.
Na chese bibi anye de ansai kwa. Ana wan se ku adwuma no so ye kwaduru ba bi a sa na obaye ntosi no wewe mu no ye dua abeduru ba bi na nso ento. Me say na we mu nyina so na sa ata me so dua onya kakra bi e wosika. Na wana da ko na me say ma won se sa abote ye numu nso aye tugo. Ye mfa anye hwe ye nwura ededa hwa kwa. Ne wase me start sisa na che say penalty nso ento no na media ye e dia sese me no bente na mata mbia
sa idea no nya fie fa
nyame.
It's amazing,
Nyame. And I started waste plastic water irrigation na the foam honum.
Wow.
And banche no so no. On say eduru ba bia 1 2 a esai. Na wo yes why that so be ne sa kunkwente. Ana say obey ne gari. Nti na me ye ne na one day I say aha. On say me ye gari ma me fa soya beans mfra nhwe.
Okay.
Ehun say esite because soya beans ehun say ma protein. Nti me try keto bi hun say emu ye kama ehwa na me started the sa soya beans ne gari banchi no.
Now we try kiki.
Me try. Say ma me try nhwe. Because soya beans na me do e wa fom banchi nso wa fom ho. I me say one say soya beans no ema ade ebua ya nkasa. Ma me family no mfra hwe say be ya. Ti me try ba ho no ma hu say na ye me say try second one no. Na che say me eno ano no me de eko.
Amazing.
And ye ba friend say mpanche ne sa ankokwe no. On say wo dua abro ne emu na afa na nya afa na okwakope aduane ne wo ba bi. Nti ma fom ho de na me de de. Me de ma na sa atambro na me ye no. Efom ho na dua ba na be na me de de. Me de ye.
Me ho video bi na impreco na o inject your na eno say de eno so ko school ada
ma nko bi na me ma veterinary officer ba ko bi na kire me in case oni ho a me ametimi aye
wow
sa na e ba ye
Victoria we need the bao it's bead making so how did it start
bead ne de one day na me hwe no YouTube
okay
na o mo say ye enjoying insurance ade no that time o ma 28 cities online na o mo kire wi a na me ma o mo to ma dada bi da ho e na me titi de gu ho enti online o mo kire na ye follow wi a na me so ye pon sa da na me de sa yi no so aye den aye me wi a na ma cha asendo o mo enti e hwa na o mo kura this connect e bi mu ma me se me so mi nkire o mo na bi mu da so wo hwa o mo nya e den o mo nti ase enti o mo de me number no so de ma o mo ma na we ya afre na we ye ne den enti e firi ho na me start ye den o to me fa we no we say o ma me ye se be fa o be ya na e mo aye fa enti ene de akwaye creative obi nkire o say ye se na wo ya o be ho se na aye fa na sa na emeto ede na so ba ya
it's livestock no mboa na wonye no when your situation be a yare bi bebo omo bewu and I say obebo car like what is the experience like doing it
o say ye no me esasa mpreko no e wo ma me bisa adwan na mpreko for association
okay
ana na me bisa o mo say e bia na on the olden days me ma me ho no na e wo ma time bi wo ho be ho na yare bia be kumomo no nyina nti me bisa mo chire na mo so wo mo pa na ya na o treat o mo se ya
okay
e betimi abo say yare bi kura ba enye o mo hwe ana say yare bi so e betimi afre o mo ho aba ne pa ho nti o mo chire me sa no ma na nyina na me so me na me hwa me dia no
nti doing all this no na enye capital intensive na wo hia sika bia obetumi dia start ya na
sika someday wo na sika sam wo because me starting program no with 2 pe na me sa ase na sika sam wo also mo dan no ene nsuo because me ba bia me wa no nsuo ni ho so be yo be kwa nsuo dia be hwe o mo na na ene nyina e ha adwe but ni ade
I think so that's your number one quality we need a ding
na media film.
One of the things that I like about you is to say offer young people and I would show mu ejuma niade. How did you get that kind of idea?
Oh say I mabunu no mo na ye daache mabunu mo na ye daache ana mabunu no so wadwuma bi ya aya na edin so be fa kwan gba ne bi so na se wo ti wa na opewe na wo anya eno no edin sa so bebre de bre omo na wo kire omo na ohu a at least ne ma metimi bua ne kakra bi a obetumi start ye fie dia kakra nsa na ono so start aye den eton na obi wo hokora me kire no na ohun ya me start first one no say ye uwia kakra obenya so no obi sa fa me sika no to be say ba ko mienu miensa na che say wo endru sa time no first one so betumi start ato ade na so de media no so aye den na obi wo hon so a me de man na me de amano say wo so start bo bla.
Wow. Inti enono that is the impact we are talking about. Is it because of their own fame untina one person will be so befa bibisa mo ana?
Wo msa. Dia me fam no. Eto da bi na metewa kaya enye. Nti me hu se akwala nso sa be fa sa ye onu mu a. Na edi. Nti dia me fam no me pese obi be fam bi.
Amazing. I'll go for a quick break. Is Victoria sharing her story with us? Now you understand why she is the proud winner of the entrepreneurship category in the prestigious Christina Hackman Leadership Awards. Let's go for a quick break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
We'll be right back. It's the music segment on the Helping Hand TV show.
See the way you love me. See the way you care for me. You carry my matter for your head. Like a little baby. You are to me. You know they carry me, they play. Can you rise on your feet? Let's dance a little bit. Yeah. Come on. Anywhere you lead me, I will go. 'Cause you are the way, truth, and the light. Jesus, you'll never leave me.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the Helping Hand TV show. This is a special edition, the prestigious Christina Hackman Impact Leadership Awards edition. And I have a proud winner, the proud winner of the entrepreneurship category. Victoria is here with me. Victoria, that's for your time. I want to take some time to appreciate your mother. Once a prestigious Chill Awards, you know, and so me mommy and nam no sunti aye awards, you know. Mothers, they are so important. Especially good mothers. Inti uma me hwe e den na obeka kire mama.
Oh. Maame no die. Metumi aka say ewiase nyina odam one. Say wa we ma wa nkwa anjaye. Problem we tu me nyina wa anjame. Okọ na wo hye bidie na wo ye we. Na che say wo kire ye say fa ha. Wo ye we no we ka bo ma e be aduane. Because na aduane ho edi maye. But maame no wa nkwa anjaye.
Wow.
Me papa so say ye man nti wo mbre ye ho. Onye wo na be do ma ye de ye di. Be maame no timi tena ase Echire ye safe fa ha. Wo fa ha obehwe ase, wo fa ha obetimi agina. Te maame no de nyame nhyira no. Enguso nhyira no. Na maame nduru baabi na won hu mefo so ankasa ansa na nyame be frɛ na wa frɛ no.
Amazing. Me too. No, it reminds me so much of my mom. She did everything for me. She did she was my greatest cheerleader.
Okay.
Bibia maybe like all the things we do in H4P. Mrs. Christina Naso Hakman.
Okay.
And see, I know how it feels like to have a mother like that, and I know say Nyankopon be shene ni nyam.
Amen.
Nyankopon be shene ni nyam.
Amen.
There's one thing I'm saying also about marriage and family life. But before we do that, you produce gari from soya beans and cassava. First of all, where did you get the idea from? And then how do you do that?
Me de kan ka say on say banche no. Ye de banche nko na ye gari normal one. Ye nim.
Yeah.
Me one day na me say ma me try nhwe. Na me ye banche mole no na me ye soya no nso na me ka bon fry.
It was just for experimentation. Now we experimenting.
On say gari na nkasa ye ko school no, e be di gari no nko asa wonni hwe fra. Omo amowa sika na aja obetimi anya nido no no man katenkete no. Na omo amote say ye say no, gari rosa. E be duba bi kwa na wani kula e ha wona ade. Na me won say say soya beans no me de fra eye gari na anya ye na wa anya hwe kula fra. No dinisa ebetimi abo wo say gari rosa no.
Wow.
And I made it start a fresh and so I yampa.
Amazing. Congratulations again for being the proud winner of the prestigious Chin Awards.
Thank you.
Yankasa about marriage, relationships. A lot of times when I interview persons with disability, I'm say, in the process of getting into a relationship, say, also be raised with family, also be winya wa umbani ade, because of disability, you know, a whole same doors. Why experience be beside that?
My experience be that.
Talk to me about it.
Yeah, kind of say mpenachi. Me started to mpena sa na me wale. Nya se me hu me kunu amene ne te ande na me wale no. Na woni nipa na betina no. E be duru ba bi no want me more reason bia. Be ho na relationship na ye den aye basa.
Wow.
Na che se obi ankwa na ba bi no. Nti obe wo nkoma se blantia kama se wakofa obi ananan eti se. Na asama me kana anya me nkwa na me experience yeso ye die ma ye toda bia ye share ye di nkomo. To me won se obi so face the same problem. Ana mema no so the same thing. Oso wotimi kofa oba ono so ye able. Ni ono so ebe do ba bi na ono so aye na last sa na ono so akone ba bi. Se be ya ba kama se wakofa obi a wadi dem na bibisa.
Jesa na ni nanfo no ne busuafo na ekasa
busuafo eka na nanfofo so ye de eka. Te basa ne pa no hu bwane a ase woni ne ntem so obetwi ne ho afiri ho.
Wow.
Na metimi aka se me kunu a me ne wa anne no. Wonya anaso hu me kasa no me dana sepa because enye won na ye me first be ma me ne na ye de atena be wotimase ba wo me wo first one second one ansa na wo ka kire me say madam oni made wona say me be wale onya na ye ka say wona 9 years ana wo ba enti wona ne nam kola anya ade a akola bi be ye de e be piem wanti me anka anche odi asie.
Wow.
Mama wo first one second one ansa na obo me sa story no na me sister Benjamin Chanda na me wankwala 5 omo bubo so.
Wow.
Kama me wankwala 5 omo wo ho.
First one is saying.
First one no fan say 31st May obenya 15 years over SS1.
Wow.
And a second one so JS2.
Wow.
And a third one was class 4. And a last two be popular ba ko 9 months na menyim na chi. Nti o ma yete say ntafo.
Okay.
Me say ade me say ma pa me hu biem aye nyame kyira de aba no ma me. So person with disabilities is not easy. ya wale somewhere enda fom kura just say me who say me sinka but enda fom etada bi no kwanya obi kura na wone no wono no yet say favor bi no favor akeke na wone no ye den te na wonya the right material for him sa na eduba bi a me ye den me hu nti wo we a obe hu be say 99% o mo fa say we dey me
Oye na doye.
adoye bi keke na wone no ye den ete this 1% na na obeka so the way o si tie bia me do and then you're fine wone no betina e ma bibia ye den kama me obi wa opa wone no ntina 1000 no kwala wa fa na say adum bi keke no wode duma no wode bo say wa frɛ na say wo kunu ana bibisa
Inti Mamisa, what do you think? Do you think say a disabled person a better so be why another disabled person and I say or why able person? What do you think? To share all the issues.
do baby a ka ebeka say who ye disabled a ka wale wo yenkon disabled but do baby nso na wo hwan so a enye mama nka ne sa
Okay.
senti asebe adwuma na wo ye disabled na onya able ni a na wotu ase a na ka mo wale a
Okay.
keye na ebi na meka na do baby a ne pa na fan say favor bi no wa favor wo no ne tena ante se me kwa fa me yenkon disabled ni a na kaja ye nyina ye kwa ne sa na sisi a memeti ono se me wale disabled ni a aka no so ne kwa ne ba be ye den ama me a me nka ka se medwuma bebre no ke no so me ka be ka achi
Okay.
because sisi a no se toda bi na me nkwa me kunu ne o ma adwuma yefo no timi ye den ekoye na ade nti ma hu se sa no ma no so no ko no so ye disabled ni te se me a meti ho na ka be ha adwen ba bi
Inti with this situation, yeah, first especially in Bano, what do you think say they should look out for? So almost go into relationship, almost warrior, Bemano, a day now so almost in Bano, what should they look out for? And some because okay, we know ye be my papa for me, and I say this one is not good for me.
Oba e waso di ka hwe se nipa na amene nenam no odomi ana
In
se
spite of the disability, right?
ana se o pese mene ne ye bibi keke na wo kwa na baby
Okay.
ana na busua no so na wa ho se na busua no so odi me ba fie a o mo beji ma wa ato ana because obi ho o de ne kwa no won se o de burden bi na ye de e de ba fie
Okay.
ana ya nkasa no eye suban se oye able ni o se oye disabled ni o suban so ye den e ka ho on se obi ho a ye anya ho se made dementi de ni kwan kura se obe ka kire be ma no ana oba no na wo so ye den o ka wonu se me ye obi a wadi dementi de ameka bia me wa right ana da bi edruba bia no matter say yes ye ya die dem nyina so ye fa suban pa so ye den enta echi se be ya awale no mo no ebe ye se we ba na okwa ye den ya wo ba ko be afa wa kwa ye awale ana wife material e wo ne fie no de wo kwaduru na se wo asa yi suban boni e kire na se be wonti mi ntena ho aka se wadi dem ntima me no wontena sa ye den ya e the problem beba nti suban so yenda suban pa endi awa ye bibia mo.
Amazing. I'll go for a quick break. When we come back, we are going to ask Victoria. She has won other awards before the prestigious Chill Awards. When we come back, we'll discuss all that. It's a Helping Hand TV show. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
On this special Mother's Day, the H4P organization honors the legacy of Mrs. Christina Ananswa Hackman.
Sweet mother.
Welcome back to the Helping Hand TV show. I still have Victoria with me. This is the exclusive interview with her because she's a proud winner of the entrepreneurship category of the prestigious Chill Awards. Her story is amazing. Like she said, from zero to hero. Amazing. Victoria, thank you so much for your time.
You are welcome.
Before we go, I want us to talk about a couple of things. 2024, you are judged the District Best Woman Farmer, Sefi Akontombra in 2024, and then the Western North Youth prestigious award for Best Farmer. How did that happen?
Ekuya adwuma no sɛ mede kan no. Woman na one day me invite extension officer baako sɛ ma ho yare bi ɛwɔ m'afɔ mu a emu me nti ase ɔmbɛhwɛ ma me. Ɔno sɛ nti ɔkɔduru hɔ no mu no ogyina hɔ na ɔde ne nsa ayɛ sɛ ɔsɛ wow. Me sɛ ana ɔkyerɛ me deɛ mɛyɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no. Nti from then no ɛwɔ ma me invite no wɔ fam hɔ. Ana me hu ade a me nti ase no na ma frɛ no na wabɛyɛ dɛ wabɛhwɛ ama me. Nti one day na me frɛ no wɔ fie nso. Na memproko baako ɔbɛhu ada time bi ɔde ne ho otwitwi. Ana me sɛ wei nso me nti ase na ɔsɛ wei deɛ me frɛ veterinary for. No bɛhwɛ na ɛno no nso nya ne area ana me so yo. Nti from there no ɛwɔ ma na ɔma bɛhwɛ me. Me no ɔma sɛ me si yɛ. Nti ɛduru sɛ na ɔmo sɛ this year no ɔmo salete ɔmo amo yɛbɛkɔ for sa best farming wei no. Ɛwɔ Maasai. Ana me so okay. Me so me wɔ hɔ. Nti ɔmo si kyene hwɛ amanfo dia. Nti ɔmo bɛduru ɔmo hwɛ me na ɔma me yɛ na saa ta me wɔ nkrantia, me wɔ mproko. Kyerɛ sɛ fie livestock me wɔ ahodoɔ ɛwɔ fie. Ɛna ɔmo sɛ fine ɛna yɛnkɔ afuom hɔ. Kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔ afuom hɔ no mu no nneɛma a ɔmo nim sɛ Western North yɛdu a yɛnyɛ yie nyina ɔmo kɔduru fuom hɔ na ebi wɔ hɔ.
Amazing.
Ɔmo sɛ na nkateɛ nso yɛdua ha yɛyɛ yie. Ana me sɛ na ɔmo sɛ saa sobolo haban ɔmo kɔ bibia wɔ hɔ kama atukuo bibia ɔmo sɛ na wɔn nyinaa yɛdua ha. Ana me sɛ ɔmo sɛ wow yɛnhu bi da. Na sɛ wotumi yɛ saa nneɛma wɔn nyinaa yɛate saa hɔ no deɛ wa qualify na aka paperwork yɛbɛbisa 100 questions. Na ne nyinaa wotumi yi ano nso a na ɛbɛhu ba bia yɛde wobɛyɛ dɛ.
At that time now, why you create Jumano for how many years?
Kuya adwuma deɛ na ma yɛ bɛsɛ 4-5 years.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Na ɛsɛ me dɔ wei afi wei a na ɛsɛ me saa de foforɔ yɛ dɛ ɛka ho saa na meyɛ. Nti woyɛ nso a yɛyie kama.
Me tie wo story now. I feel like of course that's why you're on the Helping Hand TV show. To see Ghana, Africa, everybody has seen what you can do. But it also goes to say disability is not inability.
Yeah.
In spite of how difficult things were from the beginning. Why right now, here you are a role model. And
Yes.
everybody is looking up to you.
Yeah.
Again, if you are not or a disabled person, or you say the situation is so difficult, or you say only boafubia, or you say untumin ko nenim enyeshi. Advice be na de man.
Bi a wade dem bi a wohwɛ me. Me mfa wo dem di ne embu abam. Ma ne embu abam kura. Nyame wɔ bibi pa wɔ mu. Obetimi ayɛ. Because na me yɛ sɛ, me so me betena kwan nkyɛn asresre ana. Am sɛ o no da bi. Wɔ sɛ me start yɛ bibi. Saa nso na ba bi o ti bi obetimi start bibi. Wo betimi ade wo nsa start bibi. Obetimi ade wo adwen. Sɛ wo nsa ntimi nyɛ kura obetimi wo adwen aka kyɛ wo nua bi sɛ me nua adwen wei wɔ me tirim o yɛ ne sɛ ma me. Ɛyɛ den a mo bɛka abom no ebetimi ayɛ bibi a ɛno nso de bibi bɛba fie kakra. Nti me ntena kwa sɛ o media ma de dem nte no ano no. Sɛ yɛ di kan aka sɛ disability is not inability. Ti try sɛ obɛyɛ. Mo sɛ wo try no obɛhu sɛ wakɔ enu me fa sɛ dua we gyina hɔ na oba sɛ o mintimi da bi obɛka fom o. Na o ka sɛ ma me ntra hwɛ o try na duru kakra ade akyi wo try bi ma third one obɛhu na wayɛ den wa frusro na wakɔte dua ba na yɛ den adi. Nti sɛ yɛ adi dem a ma yɛ nka hɔ saa yɛn try sɛ yɛ di yɛn nsa yɛ di adwen ɛbɛyɛ bibi na menim sɛ ade ɛbɛkyi na ɛbɛyɛ ade pa ama yɛ kakra ma ɛka kyerɛ wo mo no.
Young ba Chill Awards. Wo ba no na wonim sɛ wo bɛ wini ana.
Na ne da so ni hɔ. Saa da no meka bibi sɛ ade we de yɛ ma akraafo na wɛse no ba bia wo firi tokuro we mu akɔntɔmbra hwan na enim o. I say well ma me nkɔ bie. Enti me dey me to hɔ nyinaa de do ma ho sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛ ahwɛ wɔ yi ne so screen ne so na ade be na me ni ne da so bia sɛ mɛyɛ winner.
Wow.
Because you can say Accra for me we chire e be free akwan we kwa Kumasi akwa hwan be duru me ho no mpo de na kyese anya ade a menya te do so mo bo me den kwa na ma adwen kwa ame ho na ablante ba ko gina me ho a o pese me ne ko ma ye confused na me gina ho ana lady ba ko na wote me say friend grow say o na ye winner say kyese na ma ye yi so na me nim say me ye winner me nim say I for Accra people.
This is how we say Chila was a Accra phone call.
Dabi. Na se me fra kwantom bra na ma win a na him pobiem. Na just say for the whole Ghana and the whole world.
It's amazing. It's amazing. H4P is 15 years old.
Wow.
We've been doing this for disabled people for the past 15 years. A day now Obeka in Christchurch, same day now Obeka. They are encouraging H4P with what they are doing.
Kakra meka ma H4P team say the omo starting a omo year 15 years we no. Nyame hye omo kina na omo ye emburu sa. Na me ameti wakura na ka me nim say to eba bia me so meti. Na
from
through,
zero to hero.
Oh, na through H4P nti ane me so ma bedru ba bia madru na kyese nyame nhyira mo pa na mo nto so nye na ye mo say persons with disability obi o be na o twiko won person wo be ben won e ba na say papa otime ya wa tu say na wa be say na kyese ye wo obi ba bia won so ho ya obe ya wa tu na ye nim na kyese wa be ya genkwa ama persons with disabilities. Nyame nhyira wo bebre ba bia ye hya bia no wa yi ama ya pia be ho ba bia light nso wo na me nim say obeye aburisa na me deta na no me ka che me ba na me se hwe sa papa we ama hia no na me nti me fru plane da kro
Amen.
me so me fru plane na akwa ba bi da kro enam sa ba bia ma be hia nti.
Amen. Well, we are going to go on the freestyle segment. The freestyle segment is where I allow my guests to do anything. Maybe they can sing, they can dance, they can do something. Freestyle segment. Victoria, freestyle, then I'll be your mommy.
Me tunu mu kitua bi.
Great.
Bishop, how lovely you are. You are so gentle, so pure, and so kind. You shine like bright morning star. Bishop, how lovely you are. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you so much. That's a big surprise. I didn't know this. Thank you. Well, this has been the special edition, exclusive edition of the Helping Hand TV show. The proud winner of the prestigious Christina Hackman Impact Leadership Awards, Victoria Tenny Luatema, has been my guest for today. She's an inspiration, and we have a lot to learn from her. Victoria, congratulations again. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, this all time would allow us. I'll draw the curtains here. Special thanks to you for always tuning in to the Helping Hand TV show. Let me say special thanks also to DV Unlimited, Company Limited, and FCC, Fast Chapel, my proud sponsors. A special thanks also goes to all those who contribute to the Helping Hand TV show through the mobile money system. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your help. Because of you, we keep lending a helping hand to the disability community. Thank you so much. If you are not as yet part of those who contribute to H4P through the mobile money system, think about it and then help us with anything you can give us, finances, logistics, anything you can give H4P so that we continue to lend a helping hand to the disability community. H4P is 15 years. We've been doing this for the past 15 years. To God be the glory. Great things He has done. Well, thank you so much. I'll come your way again, same time next week. Until then, remember, disability is not inability. Take care of yourselves, and God richly bless you.